Hey guys! Welcome back! So guys, we're going in Zambales because outing ng salon. So, ayun na sila. Nag-ready na. Ayun si Ate. Show them. Show them. You know. Ano muna siya ng parcel, guys. Magdi-deliver. You know, last minute. May pasok ka pa? Bye. Are you guys ready? Yeah. Mimi! Are you ready now, Mimi? Are you ready, Mimi?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Let's go, let's go.
So guys, we're gonna eat first sa Jollibee.
We're going to eat at Jollibee.
It's so init.
We're gonna eat at Jollibee first because we're so hungry.
I think parking can.
Mamayad ko pagkita kanyan.
Okay, we're gonna go sa Tita Amar.
Pat muna namin yung parking guys kasi meron ng parking sa Jollibee. Kanina walang park.
Okay, let's go.
Ako na maglilipat.
So, we're just gonna go park at Jollibee, guys. Lakas mo nga, one time. Hey! Wala parking pala, uy, guys. So, yeah, we're just gonna wait.
Walang parking, y'all! It's a prank.
This is false alarm. Fake news or what? Ay, ito na. We have parking.
Y'all, we're still waiting for the food. Nandito na talaga kulang lang. Tapos nung kumain yung mga kasama namin.
Naka-video ba yan?
Gumaganon-ganon kasi yung ulo niya. Gumaganon-ganon pa mo ako. So, this is our breakfast. Burger steak with egg. What's wrong with it? What do you mean? What's wrong with it? Kaya na, bilisan na.
Time-lapse. Kumari time-lapse. Ito ang konti ng mushroom ko compared sa inyo. Cheers kasi!
Cheers! Hanado set. Cheers!
Nababakal na ako.
Are you doing alright?
I'm doing okay.
How about you?
Mariregret ko itong mga sinabi ko. Zambales naman tayo pupunta. Yung pinuntan kasi natin, no?
After 4 hours of driving, nakarating na rin kami sa Tanyao, Zambales.
Let's go touchdown.
Nakapag-book kami sa... Ano pangalan nung ano ba? Liwaliw? Liwaliw? Basta yun. Liwaliw yata yung name nung ano. Nakapag-book kami, tapos sinabi nila doon na 1 to 2 minutes lang daw yung walk. Sa papunta sa dagat. Kaso,
It was actually like when you believe it.
may mga senior citizenship nakasama, tsaka mga kids. So, it's a no-no. Sobrang sungit ng stuff. Like, wala silang pakialam kahit kinakausap sila. Tapos, may down payment pa na 10K na hindi refundable. Which is a scam, basically. What? Mimi's here. Saan? Ayos lang yung gamit. Papark lang yung car. Ayan, alis na kami. Bababa na kami. Buti pa dito sa Tanyao talagang yan, 30 seconds lang yung ano.
Oo.
Yung lakad sa... Ayun yung Tanyao, guys.
sigurado ka dito yun. Baka naman hindi dito, girl.
Dito yun. Akala ko kanina may naka-tent doon. Car pala siya.
I swear, may
Ayun yung
monkey
mga
talaga.
kasama
Hindi ko
namin
makakita
nasa van.
dito, no?
Grabe. 80% biyahe, 20% stay dito sa resort 2. Saan te?
Ayan, 24.
Ah, ito? Wow!
May, hindi ko, ay, dito pala tayo dadaan natin.
Dito na tayo. Ito ang... This is where we're gonna stay. Ayan siya, y'all. Para siyang container van. Wow! So cute! Hala, ang cute!
Ika yung atlo po, takili kayo na.
Ooh. Hiya!
Hi, guys.
Ha? No?
Eva. Hi, San. Paligo ka pa niyan?
Nasa sa samod.
That's there.
Hi guys! Tapos na yung lunch namin kanina pa and it's already, what time is it?
It's currently
What?
5:38.
It's currently 5:38.
Mag-electric fan ka
She's
ba?
vlogging din. And wala na yung sun. 5:38 ate, wala na yung sun?
Yeah, ayun siya.
Wala na yung sun, look.
Your shadow. Dapat dito yung background.
Outfit check ate. May banana boat.
Dapat pa ganyan dito, oh. Tingnan mo.
And wala masyadong tao dun sa resort namin. Pero dito din naman, hindi masyado.
It's worth it. Ano man sa hair, nakatayo lahat.
They're taking pictures, y'all.
Electrocuted.
Headless. Headless. Titingin silang inspo, guys.
Or like this. The sun should be like this, bro.
Okay, can you try there now? Ayan yung sun, guys.
Good? Awesome.
Hi, y'all. Magsiswimming na kami. Nasaan si Mimi?
Ayun.
We're going to swim and then we'll see you later at dinner. Bye.
So guys, we're in the water now. So guys, we're in the ocean already. Wait lang, ba't ayaw ma-recenter? You lunod? May shampoo kita, shampoo lock. Look at this. Ay! Ah! Ma'am! Nalunod na po yung client niyo, ma'am. So ba yun, ma'am? Okay. O, tingin ka dito.
Hi guys.
Hindi, ganyan ka muna. Hi, guys. Dito ka, lapit ka.
Hi guys.
Welcome
Welcome
back
back
to
to
my
my
channel. Okay, go. Split ka, split.
Pag may pa.
Split ka.
Pag may pa, magkatang kilwal.
Slip ka, split. So guys, nagwawalis na yung vlogger. Grabe, nabuti na panood ko pa yung mga yun.
Ay, nandun pa. Tara na.
Go, Sarah, dalian mo. You know, ang puti. Ang puti-puti tayo. You know, Lottie.
Lottie.
Hi, I'm Lottie.
I'm Lottie.
So, nandito lang kami sa room. I'm here with Ate Chat, Mimi, and Achi. Hi, say hi, bebe.
Hi.
Ito ganda.
Hey! Ay, dito. Dagat tayo. Mimi dagat.
Dagat tayo tomorrow. I will video you, okay? See you tomorrow na lang kasi.
Tomorrow.
Kailangan pa naming probably baka maglaro ng bingo sa taas or manood na lang. Ang init. Ang init kasi. And then, wala. Ito lang yung room. Sobrang kalat.
Guys,
So,
See you guys tomorrow!
good night! Walang ketchup or
tanong mo ka lahat eh. Grabe yung may fries.
Why is it doing that?
Because it's...
Yung maging ano naman tayo, maging masaya tayo.
Ako! What is tulog ito?
What if hulog ito? Sige.
Kakain siya, ayan yung pagkain niya, oh.
Ano kasi bayawak?
Yung pangadagdag.
Iguana?
Iguana.
Sorry po.
Sobrang alat ng tiga.
Tuyo talaga. Alam mo rin masales.
Thank God. Gitlog with toyo.
Toyo? May toyo ka?
Ay, tuyo. My bad.
12 hours pa?
Baba na. Makakapagkahit ako.
2 tayo
Yeah.
Ano?
12.
Sabi mo 2. Already 4 hours. Hi guys! Uuwi na kami ni Mimi.
Yehey! Nag-uwi may bahay.
Biyahe, let's go uwi Mimi's bahay. Hindi kami nakapag-video kanina nung morning kasi naka-camera mode pala, hindi video mode. So, I'll see you guys.
Mahaba! Mahaba!
Ayun yung iba naming kasama. Naayos nila yung mga gamit. Diyan kami nag-stay overnight. Hindi man siya mainit kahit parang container van lang. See you guys at home. Hi guys! Nakauwi na kami. And nagsasoccer na agad si Kima. So tired and so exhausted. What is this? Oh. It's time to cleanse everything up from the sand from the ocean.
Meron ba? Madami na.
Konti, sakto lang. That's too much for the forehead, sis.
Hindi naman yan lahat for. Is my cleanser. Para maiwasan. Okay, so wala na yun lang. Like, update. Nasa bahay na. And it's time to unpack everything.
See you next vlogger.